Hi, everybody. Welcome to the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Final thoughts before we get this one underway?
Really an important game, really a game that the players are excited about. You can hear the chatter on the benches between the players. They want to get going. They're nervous to start.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. The Avalanche have established possession here early in this one as they win the draw. Off his stick! Oh. They score! My goodness, what a shot on the one-timer!
As we get another look at this nice goal here, that's good finish. Check out the pass. This play does not happen without that unbelievable sweet dish onto the stick of the shooter.
The Avs couldn't ask for a better start tonight, Ray.
They barely got the anthem singer off the ice, and this thing's in the net. What a start.
Moves it to Ellis. And now he angles it across to Couturier. Turned aside with a glove by Georgiev. And now he tries to get it across to McKinnon. Takes it and looks ahead. Poked away by Provorov. Here's a short pass to Couturier. The Flyers play it along the wing. Puts it on net. Denied by the goaltender. The Avs get a hold of the puck along the boards. Looks to pass it to Rantanen. And that's poked away by Farabee. Puck picked up by Couturier. McKinnon swooping in on the attack. And the intensity's starting to ramp up here after that hit. Takes it into the slot. Scooped up along the wall by Van Riemsdyk. From one point man to another. Gets a piece of it with the glove. Colorado's got the puck in the defensive end. Takes the pass. The Flyers have a hold of it in the defensive zone. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. In close. Grabs it with the glove.
The most fun save for the goaltender, the glove stop.
Grabbed along the boards by Girard. Here he is, wristed on net. He scores! And that's 2 in a row!
Get one, you stay hungry, you want to stay on your toes, and while the defending team's back on their heels, they throw another one on the board. Man, it looks like a bus depot in front of the net. You know it's a tough one when you can't see the goalie. That means he can't see the puck.
Colorado's now doubled their lead here in the first.
By staying on the play, James, has been the key for them. They've been aggressive, they've forechecked, and when they get a chance, they haven't missed.
Quick feed to D'Angelo. The Flyers looking against the half wall. Scores! They answer right back.
That's a heck of a response. You give one up, you want to try and get it back as quickly as possible. When the goaltender gets into the butterfly, he's just trying to take away as much of the net as he can. He's got lots covered, not enough as he gets beaten for a tally.
The Flyers counterpunch now, narrowing that gap to 1 still with half the period to go here.
Nobody looks comfortable on the ice. A little bit of a helter-skelter game and lots of goals. You know I like that. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. Interference is the call. Intentions were good, though, I would think.
Yeah, but you got to realize I'm in the wrong spot. I can't get in the way like he did.
McKinnon's ankle breaker zone ability is when he dekes at top speeds to create grade A chances. Couturier is usually scouted before any key matchup because he's a special player and a good point getter. I'm expecting one of these players to make a big difference for their team before the game is over. Back to you guys.
And that'll essentially do it for the man advantage here as the official blows the play dead. Landeskog's going off for elbowing.
Once he puts up his little token argument here, he's going to circle around a bit and try and regroup here as he goes to the penalty
box. Were you
box.
a haggler?
Always. You never think it's the right call.
They'll play some 4-on-4.
That extra space on the ice is there for you to take advantage of. Be patient. You've got the time. Make the right play.
The Avs have it now. And that's poked away by Van Riemsdyk. The Avs will play it through the neutral zone. Rantanen's got it along the wing. Trying to gain a step. He's clear. What a save on the play. Across the line from center. Colorado's got it along the wall. Here he is in front. Fantastic save.
I thought they worked the puck around pretty good here. They get a good chance on goal, but not to be.
Quick pass across to Nichushkin. From the left side, they gain the zone. The Flyers gain control of the puck. Angles it over to Couturier. And as he skates back out, and they score shorthanded.
You go into this penalty trying to keep the game level. Now you get a bonus, that shorthanded goal. The goalie's not going to like this, mainly because that turnover right in front of him doesn't allow him to get set. He gets beat down low.
The Avalanche have extended their lead here in the late goings of the period.
They want to get into the intermission here with this same lead if possible. So stay at it, be aggressive. You've got the other team reeling a little bit.
Philadelphia's power play is over. What a disaster as they give up a shorthanded goal. Oh, puts it off the iron. Had the side of the net, but doesn't go.
The Flyers' luck stays poor. This shot hits the pipe and doesn't bounce in for them. They still trail in the game.
Philadelphia's gained possession along the boards. Lets it go. Gets in front of it.
Goalies are always trying to get better.
Scores! It's a Flyers goal!
I got a lot of these. They don't look very pretty, but guess what? They changed the number up on that $10 million clock all the same. The rebound's there, and he puts it in the net.
Here in the late goings of the period, the Flyers have answered back in these last few minutes, but still need one more to even the score. Philadelphia's got a hold of the puck. From the point, they take control of it. The Avs get a hold of the puck in their own end. Exploring options here inside the defensive zone. The Flyers gain possession. Takes it to the net. Decides to think about it. And some good footwork to kick it away. Here he is in close. Oh, and he just gets a piece of it. Great extension on the play. Talk about an offensive explosion. It finally comes to an end here this first period.
Just a friendly reminder about tonight's silent auction. All items can be viewed and bid on at the display near the guest services counter.
As both teams get a breather, so will we. We'll take a quick pause for the cause. Well, the first 20 is in the books. Let's see what this second period offers. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
The Flyers probably a little bit unlucky in that initial frame. They controlled most of the possession, but they trailed by a goal.
And that's knocked away by D'Angelo. Booming shot! Oh, fantastic save by Georgiev. Oh, and a misfire as that goes right out of the zone. Tippett's got it into offensive territory. Great heads-up play to poke it away at the offensive end. Moves the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Makar. And he gives it over to McKinnon. Colorado's moving it along the wing. From the right side and up the middle. Quick pass to McKinnon. Turned aside with the glove by Hart. Goalie plays it up. Puck scooped up by D'Angelo. a stick. That's a textbook save by Georgiev. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here.
Hart's made some good saves. Maybe none better than that glove stop off the scoring chance.
Still lots of time left here in this frame. Just one goal separating these two teams as we sit with a 3-2 lead. The Flyers take possession off the faceoff. Levels them with the hit. Things starting to get a little physical out there. Makes a move in front. Oh, a clutch save.
Georgiev's made an excellent effort here. He's got to be quick. He's got to be sharp. He's got to be on top.
He scores! Sean Couturier! His teammates call him the answer!
He's so good controlling the puck, even when he's being jostled. He doesn't lose focus. He doesn't lose his concentration. And he sure as heck doesn't lose where the net is. Eventually, he works his way in tight, and he puts it past the goalie.
They tried to shove him off the puck there, but he stuck with it and went on to score, guys. That's his unstoppable force superstar ability, and that puck possession made that goal possible.
They gain the offensive zone from the middle. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Down the right side and into the zone. The Avalanche have the puck in their own end. From the opposite point. And that shot gets caught in traffic. Moves it quickly over to Atkinson. Colorado's got it now. And he takes a shot. Glove save made by Hart. Loose puck battle along the boards. Picked up along the wall. Here comes the pushback.
Provorov's not interested in dropping the mitts and going at it.
Great stop by Georgiev. The Avs take possession in the defensive end. Takes the feed. The Avs played along the boards. Philadelphia's got the puck along the wall. Van Riemsdyk's carrying it ahead. Here's a shot. Denies him on the play. Lets it go. Oh, how did he get a glove on that? What a stop by Georgiev.
That's a great scoring chance turned aside. The blocker save denies the shot.
Here in the late going of the frame, we are all tied up in this one. Philadelphia's won the draw. Takes a shot. Scores! And the deadlock is broken.
Well, what a crushing goal to give up. But the other guys worked hard for it. They pressed the play, and now they've got the lead. We talk about face-offs a lot, and I'm not so sure that the percentages really matter sometimes. It's where you win them. Here's an offensive zone win that leads directly to this goal.
The Flyers breathing a sigh of relief, now taking a one-goal lead.
Well, don't exhale too much, James. I mean, you've got a one-goal lead, but you still want to get this into the intermission right where it is.
The Avs take it along the wall. Pinned up along the boards. Nice pass. From center they get into the attacking area. Oh, couldn't finish the job. What an excellent opportunity, Ray.
They worked their way into good shape. He's just not able to beat the goalie.
The Flyers have it now.
Ristolainen's dangerous in the offensive zone. He's got it now, and he's already got the go-ahead goal.
The Avs will play it in their own end. Fires one. That'll do it for period number 2. Boy, if you like offense, this is a game made for you.
Don't forget, fans, if you're here with somebody celebrating a birthday tonight, go to our guest services booth, and you'll see their name up on our big screen before the end of the game.
Big third period still to come. We'll get ready for it. Hope you'll join us. Third period action. Are you ready? I'm ready. Ray's ready. The players are ready. Let's go. There's been no shortage of firepower after the first 40 minutes, and we are underway here in the third. Well, we've got 2 periods under our belts to this point so far, Ray. How do you see things?
The Flyers lead, and they got to be hoping that their goalie gives them a save soon, because right now it might be last shot wins.
Made the stop on the play. Maintains possession. Moves it to Couturier. Sends the pass over. Takes the feed. Here's a shot. Oh, he got a little sliver of it, and it stays out.
Pretty solid stop, and the puck goes into the corner to safety.
Colorado's looking to break out. The Avs take it across the blue line. Here's a short pass to Rantanen. Can't connect. The Avalanche have gained control of the puck along the wall. Chance in front. Oh, what a save with the stick by Hart.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Taken by Provorov. A chance. Denied by the goaltender. Can't pull the trigger. Picks off the pass. Lekkonen's got it across the line. Here's a shot. Rejected by the blocker. The Avalanche have possession along the boards. Huge steal in his own end. Shot, and he makes the save. Slides the puck down low. Oh, and another big stop.
Right spot makes the double save. Positioning does it all.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Along the right wing, they enter the attacking area. Feeds the puck across to Nichushkin. Long reach breaks up the momentum. To the front. Great save from in tight.
Now he looked up to the roof after that one. He thought he had room. The goaltender makes the stop.
And that's blocked away. Lekkonen's moving it ahead. Here's a shot. Takes it right in the chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale.
Hart's positioning allows him to stay up long enough to get the glove in a good place to make the save.
A lot on the line here in this offensive zone faceoff. Philadelphia's won the faceoff deep in their own end. Slides the puck into the offensive zone. Shot on net. Oh, what a stop with the blocker by Georgiev. Gains control of the puck here on the blue line. And the lane's clogged up blocking that. Ellis slides the puck along the line. Taken along the wall by Manson. And he handles a cross-ice pass. Coming up on the final minute of regulation time. From the slot, blocked in traffic. Tippett's got the puck through the neutral zone. To the low slot. Oh, what a save in front. Skates in behind the cage. Denies him.
They work the puck into a scoring spot, get a pretty good chance on goal. They just can't find a way to finish it off. Georgiev's been right on it here. They're behind, but they're not losing ground.
Check in with our own Carlin Bade, who had the better night in that head-to-head matchup with the Stars.
Couturier's been fun to watch as he's been able to generate more offense, guys. He's getting my vote in this one.
Makes the save. There it is, they scored! Johnny on the spot, he tucks in the rebound.
Followed through to the net, he picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Getting into the later stages of this period, the Flyers have all the momentum right now, leading by 2. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. There's another for the hit parade. McKinnon's got the puck in his own zone. Goaltender has made his way to the bench. The extra attacker's out. They need a goal here big time. They've got the defense outnumbered. He scores into the empty net, and that's all she wrote.
You can see the one team is going to be able to relax a little bit now as they've had the lead. Now that empty netter should wrap this up here. We're in the last little bit of the third period. That should be enough.
Centers glide into the dot as the face-off ready to resume play. The Flyers get a hold of the puck off the draw. Quick feed to Hayes. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. Quick pass to McKinnon. Centering pass! And that one's broken up. It is all over. Philadelphia's performance, a lot to like in so many areas. What pop for you?
For me, James, it's the way that they controlled the puck. They had it on their stick most of the time. They controlled much of the game.
It's a foreign concept to think that players like the Rocket or Mr. Hockey would have done this way back when.
No, they wouldn't have done this.
It's a regular occurrence now.
But now things have changed, and this is what you should do.
On behalf of Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us. Good night.